So, most people think trading means stocks or crypto, but there's another type of trading that's way simpler. It's event trading. So, on Kalshi, you don't trade companies, you trade outcomes. And if you understand probabilities and news, you can literally profit from predicting the real world. So, every market is a yes or no question. For example, will Bitcoin be above $50 by Friday? Each side have a price between 1 cent and 99 cents. And that price is basically the market's probability. Also, you can trade it like a stock. It is the best for profit. Example, you can actually buy yes at 40%, then news comes out supporting yes, so the price jumps to 65%. Then you sell. You get the difference. It's like 0.25 per contract. So if you do this a lot, you can get a lot of like smaller risk money, but it's better because you can actually trade a lot of times with the same amount of money. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.